The first step in this journey is becoming a certified drone pilot. To fly a drone under the FAA's Small UAS Rule, Part 107, it's necessary to obtain a remote pilot certificate from the FAA. This process involves several steps. First, create an integrated airman certification and rating application profile to obtain an FAA tracking number. Next, schedule and pass the initial aeronautical knowledge test. Then, complete the FAA Form 8710-13 for a remote pilot certificate using the electronic IACRA system. Following this, you'll have to complete a TSA security background check. Once these steps are done, you can print a temporary remote pilot certificate from IACRA and receive a permanent remote pilot certificate via mail. But remember to keep your aviation knowledge up to date by completing an online training course every 24 months. Once you're certified, you can start exploring ways to monetize your drone skills. One of the easiest ways to connect with potential clients is by joining lead-generating platforms. This service connects drone pilots with individuals or businesses in need of aerial services, be it real estate photography, event coverage, or surveying. If you capture stunning aerial shots and videos, consider selling them as stock media. Stock media sales is a fantastic type of platform that facilitates the sale of your drone footage to stock media agencies. This way, you can earn money passively as your work gets licensed for various projects. Purchasing leads platforms are yet another platform that connects service providers with customers. By creating a profile on lead platforms, you can receive requests for drone services directly from individuals or businesses looking for aerial solutions. Creating a strong online presence is also crucial for any aspiring drone entrepreneur. Platforms like YouTube offer a great space to showcase your skills through engaging videos, share your experiences, offer tips, and most importantly, showcase your best drone footage. Social media channels like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter can also help expand your reach and engage with potential clients. Don't forget to boost your visibility by creating profiles on popular business listing platforms. Yelp, Google Business, and Bing Business are key players in local search, and optimizing your profiles on these platforms can attract more business. To summarize, monetizing your drone skills requires a strategic approach. Becoming a certified drone pilot is the first step. Diversifying your income streams through platforms that generate leads and pay you for your media, and leveraging the power of YouTube and social media can help carve a niche for yourself in the drone industry. Lastly, optimizing your presence on local business listings can ensure that you're discoverable by those seeking drone services in your area. So, get ready to unlock the skies and turn your drone passion into a profitable venture. All the links to the platforms are listed on our blog on our website. Our website is listed on our YouTube channel profile.